Good morning from Grand Family Farm. This morning we're taking this turkey here off this trailer. They're moving this other turkey out front that was in the parking spot that we need to drop the parts turkey at. We're not putting it at the shop this time because it'll take a while to get it parted out. We need the shop for other things. But anyway, parts turkey here. We're going down the lane. Gonna move that ZJ on this trailer here tomorrow and take it to the Tri-Cities. Get rid of it off our place. So that's why we need the trailer sooner than later. And then plus, we need to get cattle panels. Maybe on Sunday, use the trailer, it'll fit better on it. And that's the way we do it. It's like Jeep and Ford country. Well, I lift up the rear end there to put a block here so we can slide something under the control arms so they don't tear up the trailer deck. But someone didn't check the diesel on the tractor, so I ran out. It's the first time this ever ran out of diesel, so hopefully it starts back up. We don't have to bleed the whole system. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, I put the diesel in the tractor, started right up, so that was nice. Yeah, we do this little iffy stuff around here. Alright. Looks like we're caught right here now. Okay, that's off. In my way of where I gotta build the fence, of course. Hopefully this is parted out and it goes away soon. Take a break from the farm to go get a new phone and eat pizza at Round Table. It's down there. Come on, dogs! There you are. Where you love me? Oh, love me, do. Alright. Good girls. Alright, good girls. Alright, I'm here. Back from getting phones. Gotta see the animals one more time before dark, which is pretty close. Yeah, the pig wants some hay. And he wants some grain too. There you go. I know you want your grain. I'm gonna go feed the chickens. Oh, come on, dog. I haven't been gone that long. Oh, no. Okay. Sure. Yep, there's a piglet out. Leave the pig alone. Back in there, piggy. Oh, two of them out. Move. There it goes. Get back in there. I'll fix it. Alright. Get you some grain. Alright, Penelope. Well, you just dumping this water out? Well, every time I come down here, I gotta add more water. Hang on. I'll get some other chickens. Okay. Everyone's fed. Piglets are fighting over the food. There's piles. Piles. But the little piglet's been out eating grain out here. Now it's pea. Got some grass, some corn. Chickens are happy. Somewhere, and I got me some eggs. Can't forget those. Got some eggs. So that's it for tonight. Well, I gotta come back here with the water. Oh, leave this on here. We got water. Penelope, because she's pouring it out, I guess. Be nice, Mama. Anyway, it's almost the end of our day. Time I get back down here to water, it's gonna be dark. So, thanks for watching. Have a good night.